Hello and welcome to Math for Fun, and in this video I'm going to show you how to graph the straight line using the slope and the y-intercept. Now, as you can see from the equation, here we have the equation y equals 7 over 2x minus 2. So the slope is 7 over 2 and the y-intercept is minus 2. So all what you need here, just plot the y-intercept, which is at minus 2, and then take the slope 7 over 2 and move 7 up and 2 to the right, and then you will get the other points. And then join the 2 points and the line is done. Let me show you another case. Here we have the y-intercept as 3 and the slope is minus 6. But what you can do, you can change the minus 6 to be minus 6 over 1. And then the next step is plot the y-intercept, which is at 0, 3, which is 1, 2, 3 here. And then go minus 6 over 1, which is down minus 6 and 1 to the right, and then you'll get the other point. And then join the 2 points and the line is drawn. Let's check this type. Here we have the equation y equal to minus 5, which means that in the slope-intercept form, it should be written y equals to 0 times x minus 5, which means that the slope is 0. So we know that any line with a 0 slope, it should be horizontal line. So we go down 5 units, which is at 0 minus 5 here, and then draw a horizontal line here, and then it's done. Let's go for the special line, which is x equal to something. Here we have the line x equal to 5. The easiest way to do that is go for x equal to 5 and draw a vertical line here. And remember that any line with an equation x equal to number is going to be a vertical line, and any equation with the form y equal to constant, let's say number, is going to be a horizontal line at that number. Let's check this. Y equal to 5 over 3x. So now the y-intercept in this case is 0, because we can write the equation y equal 5 over 3x plus 0. So we can start from 0 here, and we need the slope. So the slope is 5 over 3. So we go up 5 units and 3 to the right, and then we plot the other point, and then we join the 2 points, and that's it. Let's look at that. X equal to 0. As we mentioned previously, we said that any line with the equation x equal to constant is going to be a vertical line at that constant. So here we have x equal to 0, which means that we stop at 0 and we graph a vertical line. This would be the equation for x equal to 0. What about the line y equal to 0? We can do it similarly. So we stop at 0 and we graph a horizontal line at 0, which is the equation of the x-axis. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share, and welcome to Math for Fun, and bye for now.